So this is the remote meter for the water company. So we got to disconnect this, install this. But one of the other things that happened, you know, as we're getting the exterior, now we got them back in the house. So now we're going to focus on the exterior of the home. We have this entire side resided, but we have existing downspout pipes that were crushed by the tree. So what we're going to do, because this driveway was crushed by the tree as well, we're going to be replacing this entire driveway. And when we go through that process, we're going to make sure that we camera, inspect all these drains and make sure they're nice and sound and they don't cause issues in the future, especially since we're doing the driveway.